The major thing that I'm going to learn is to have fun. Something that I didn't realize was, we always tell our kids to sit and sit and sit and sit crisscross applesauce. And I'm really going to just let the kids be themselves. What does it matter if they're spinning in a circle as long as they're listening and that the other kids are not being interrupted and that they're still getting from it? Because I know me too, sitting there, I have to fiddle with something. So if I have to fiddle with something, why would I expect a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old not to want to fiddle with something?
That's awesome. And that's something you got from this workshop that you didn't understand before, right?
Yes. And I really also I really enjoyed hearing about how it's rewiring your brain. It's all chemicals. And that's something that I knew a little bit about, but I didn't realize that doing the interrupters and going back after it, being like, or telling them, I want you to go sit down.
Right.
I don't want you to run around the classroom, was such a big thing. I didn't realize that your body language played such a big part.
I love that. And what would you say to a teacher that's considering coming to a workshop?
Definitely go, because not only is it engaging, you also get to move, which I've been to other workshops at the conference where they're just reading on a board and you're just like, oh my God, I can't do this. And it's fun and you're entertained. And like he teaches in the workshop, the more you're entertained, the more you retain.
Yes.
So
I love it.